Is your Shopify store feeling a little disorganized? Let's unlock a secret weapon to whip your inventory into shape, finding the product published date. First, log into your Shopify admin panel on the left-hand side. Click on Products. This will take you to a list of all your products. Now, look for the Columns button, usually located above your product list. Click on it. A pop-up window will appear with a list of options. Find Published At and make sure the box next to it is checked, then close the window. Voila! You should now see a Published At column in your product list. This column shows the date and time each product was published to your store. Click the Published At header to sort your products by publication date, either newest to oldest or oldest to newest. To filter even further, use the Filter button, located near the search bar. You can filter products by specific date ranges to really narrow down your search. And that's it. By knowing the published date, you can track inventory age, optimize your marketing efforts, and make smarter decisions about your product catalog. Now go manage your Shopify store like a pro.